Okay, so here's the last thing for today, and this is only for those of you who had trouble following along because you couldn't see my hands when I filmed the lecture earlier today. So we're going to play two songs in two different keys. We're going to start with the blue and the blue and the purple, and There Are Wolves Among the Sheep. Notice I have candy cane fingers so that I'm not accidentally fretting other strings. This is the F chord. And this is the C7. And here I go. There are wolves among the sheep, waiting for their chance to eat. While they're away, the sheep will play, then fall asleep. Let's do that again one more time in F and C7. There are wolves among the sheep, waiting for their chance to eat. While they're away, the sheep will play, then fall asleep. Now we're going to play that same song, but using two different chords. So now I'm going to use C as the chord I'm going to strum the most. That's the red sticker. And G, or G6. This is G. This is G6. G. G6. G. G6. You're like, does it sound different? It actually does sound a little bit different, but if you can't tell the difference, then why worry about playing the difference? So this is the C I'm going to start on. I'm also going to be using G, which is green. So I'm going to go C and G and C and G, or G6, and C and G. And here's the song. There are wolves among the sheep, waiting for their chance to eat. While they're away, the sheep will play, then fall asleep. Here it is one more time, starting on the red chord and also using the green. There are wolves among the sheep, waiting for their chance to eat. While they're away, the sheep will play, then fall asleep. Now I'm going to play Row Your Boat in two different keys, and I'm going to actually start on C. Just C, G, C, or red, green, red. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And now I'm going to play that in the key of F, which means my chord I'm using the most is F, and I'm also going to be using the purple chord, C7. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I hope this really helps those of you who are struggling with paying attention to the lecture when you couldn't see what my fingers were doing.